Hey there, Joyce here. In this video, we're gonna review these Black+Decker versus the Ninja. For what I'm seeing, the Ninja is more powerful. It has 1000 watts, so it is super fast. Usually, I use it for my smoothies, in also my shakes, and everything goes in here because it has where it just you can pop this lid and you can go ahead and put a tap on and get it to work. Whereas the Black+Decker is more messy. I'm able to choose more features, of course, but to see what I'm trying to do. But Ninja already knows what I'm trying to do. For this one, I use it mostly for soft things, refried beans, salsas, puree of some veggies like tomatoes and stuff. So I guess that I really prefer my Ninja, but I do still use my Black+Decker for soft stuff.